Hey you guys, welcome back to Dark Side. So we have a 04.5 Ram 5.9 and we have a DPS two-piece manifold on it right now, and we are going to be putting one of their drop-in 6874 14 centimeter housing on it with the wastegate. And so they sent that to us. We're just getting ready to pull the stock turbo out. Stock hole set. Already have the DPS manifold that we installed about a month ago. This truck's currently 60 horse injectors, an intake elbow, and the DPS manifold at 525 horse at the tires. So we're going to drop in their 68 mil and put it back on the dyno and see what kind of power increase we get and see what the EGTs drop down to. So we are super excited. We got this bad boy from DPS. It's got a nice polished compressor housing, billet wheel, wastegated. Like I said, it's a 14 centimeter housing, so it should flow really well with a 74 turbine and a 68 billet compressor wheel. So we'll walk you through that, and then we'll get it on the dyno and see what this turbo adds to this truck. We're hoping we'll be at like 600 at the tires with just adding the turbo from where it's currently at. All right, you guys, so I just want to finish up this install that we did on a 04.5 2500 Ram. We got our turbo from DPS, and it is the 6874 with the 14 centimeter housing. It's their drop-in turbo for the 3rd gen manifold. And this customer, like I said before, already has the DPS manifold. So it's a high flow manifold. It did bring EGTs down, and we got a nice polished compressor housing and everything bolted right up. And you use your stock elbow off your turbo and go to your downpipe and your boost elbow and everything. So we are gonna see how she does, see how much boost it makes. The wastegate is adjustable, so it comes preset from DPS, and then if you need to adjust it, you'll have to do that. But so we'll let you know how it goes. We'll do some videos of it on the road. See if you guys get a picture. So yeah, we're excited to see how it does. Spool up and everything with it, and smoke control and boost.